If you want to grow your Beehiiv newsletter faster, the key is to make it easy for people to understand what they're signing up for, and then consistently give them a reason to join. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step strategy to grow your Beehiiv newsletter, attract the right subscribers, and build momentum over time. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, start by choosing a clear niche for your newsletter. This is one of the most important steps because people subscribe when they immediately understand the topic and the value. Don't try to talk to everyone. Instead, focus on one specific audience and one specific outcome. For example, instead of a general marketing newsletter, you could focus on email marketing tips for small businesses, productivity for creators, or AI tools for online entrepreneurs. The clearer your niche is, the easier it becomes to attract the right readers. Once your niche is set, the next step is to create a strong Beehiiv sign-up page. Your sign-up page is often the first impression people get, so it needs to look clean, simple, and convincing. In Beehiiv, make sure your page clearly explains what your newsletter is about and why someone should subscribe. Keep the design focused and remove anything that distracts from the sign-up action. A strong sign-up page helps turn visitors into subscribers without confusion or friction. Now let's talk about the headline and description. Your headline should be short, direct, and benefit-driven. It should instantly answer the question, why should I subscribe? Your description should expand on that by telling people what kind of content they'll receive, how often they'll receive it, and what value they can expect. Be specific, because specific messaging usually performs better than vague promises. If your newsletter helps people save time, make money, or learn something valuable, say that clearly. After your sign-up page is ready, start sharing your sign-up link on social media. This is one of the fastest ways to get your first subscribers, because you're reaching people where they already spend time. Don't just post the link once and forget about it. Share it regularly, and give people a reason to click by talking about the value of your newsletter in different ways. You can mention what subscribers will learn, why you started the newsletter, or how it helps solve a common problem. Next, add your sign-up link to your LinkedIn profile and posts. LinkedIn is a powerful platform if your newsletter is professional, educational, or business-focused. Put the link in your profile headline, featured section, or about section so people can find it easily. You can also mention your newsletter in posts when you share insights, tips, or industry updates. That way, anyone interested in your content has a direct path to subscribe. Another important place to promote your newsletter is your Instagram bio. Your bio is prime real estate, so make sure your Beehiiv link is easy to find. You can also use a simple call to action like, join my newsletter, or get weekly tips here. If you create stories, reels, or posts related to your newsletter topic, remind people to click the link in your bio. This helps turn your Instagram audience into email subscribers. If you use X, formerly Twitter, make sure you share your newsletter there too. X is especially useful for building in public, sharing quick insights, and driving traffic through short posts. You can post ideas from your newsletter, tease upcoming editions, or share a strong takeaway and invite people to subscribe for more. The more valuable and consistent your posts are, the more likely people are to check out your sign-up page. Now, here's the part that really helps with long-term growth. Publish valuable content consistently. Don't wait until everything is perfect. The more often you send useful newsletters, the more your audience learns to trust you. Consistency builds anticipation, keeps subscribers engaged, and gives people a reason to share your content. Even if your audience starts small, regular publishing helps you grow over time because each issue can attract new readers and strengthen your brand. A very effective growth tactic is to use a lead magnet to attract subscribers. A lead magnet is a free resource that gives people an immediate reason to sign up. This could be a checklist, a template, a guide, a swipe file, or a mini course related to your niche. When you offer something useful up front, people are much more likely to subscribe. In Beehiiv, you can connect your lead magnet to your sign-up flow so new subscribers get instant value right away. Finally, make sure you enable the Beehiiv referral program. This is one of the smartest ways to encourage organic growth because your current subscribers can help promote your newsletter for you. Set up a referral reward that makes sense for your audience, such as bonus content, a resource pack, or access to exclusive materials. When people have a reason to refer others, your newsletter can spread much faster without constant manual promotion. So to recap, choose a clear niche, build a strong Beehiiv sign-up page, write a compelling headline and description, promote your link across social platforms, stay consistent with valuable content, use a lead magnet, and turn on referrals. If you follow these steps, you'll give your Beehiiv newsletter a much better chance to grow steadily and attract the right readers. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.